Dropshippers. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 winning products that you can sell for the month of June so that you can make over $1,000 in profit, not revenue, for your Shopify, eBay, or Amazon store. So if that sounds interesting to you, all I need you to do is smash that thumbs up button and leave me a comment below whether you want to test these products or not, and kind of let me know where your experience is right now currently as a dropshipper. Are you a beginner? Are you intermediate? Are you an expert? Whatever phase you feel you're in right now in your dropshipping journey, let me know in the comment section. So without further ado, let's get rid of the fluff. The first product I got for you here is Weed Marauder. Now, where I'm from, we call these weed whackers, but I mean, to each his own. So the selling price that you want to sell this product at is about $40. Product cost is going to cost you $18.62. As you can see, your profit margin will be $21.37. Now, provided this video is sponsored through dropship100.com, it'll be the first thing in the description. You can sign up for that if you want to support the channel. And if you do decide to sign up, make sure you use my code MrDavinci20 to get 20% off your first month. Trust me, it'll definitely come in handy. Like I was saying, on the left side of the screen over here, they have a ready to go product description for you. If you're selling on Shopify, you can just copy and paste that. I've been testing that out recently, and I'm going to make a video later this week showing y'all my Facebook ad results. I know y'all been wanting to see that. If you're a current subscriber, if you're not subscribed already. And what we have here is 3 AliExpress suppliers. Don't mind that. That's just my dog running by. And I already have one loaded up. So let's take a look here what we have. Now, I have a bunch of cool Chrome extensions that I'm not going to cover in this video. If you want me covering that video, let me know. And basically what these Chrome extensions do, they help me see the sales statistics of each product, the rise of the product, how many times it's sold recently. As you see, I'm not logged into my AliExpress account, but if I was, I'd be able to share that information with you. So this is the AliExpress supplier. So it's going to cost us $22 shipping. We like to do e-package shipping. I don't really like to do standard shipping unless I have to. They don't have e-package shipping, so that's a L. So what we're going to do, come back to the first product, we're going to try the second AliExpress supplier, and hopefully he has e-package shipping, because I don't like to ship my products from AliExpress if they don't have e-package. That's just me. That's my own personal preference. But yeah, moving on, we have our second AliExpress supplier. This one has 96 orders, so it's a little less orders than the first supplier, but this supplier does offer United States shipping, which is I'd personally say it's a make or break when it comes to drop shipping, because I believe the person who gives the most value, who has the nicest product page, and who has the fastest shipping time will win this game. No matter what product you feel saturated, no matter what you're selling, whoever has those three credentials, and obviously more, will be the one who ultimately ends up and wins. So since this has United States shipping, I don't need to click on China. I just come over here. I click United States. As you see, there is a $10. Why, dog? $10 shipping to ship to the United States. So today is, as of the recording of the video, June 1st. If I was to order from this supplier, hey, Bo, go do that somewhere else while I'm doing my video. If I was to do this order today on June 1st, it would arrive in June 15th. So we're looking at about 2-week time frame. So that's pretty standard. I mean, of course, we would like to get it down to 7 days if possible, but that's something that I have to cover in another video. So let's come back over here to our product and scroll down. Here we are. We have ready to go interest already tested, proven, provided through dropship100.com. We have gardening tool, gardening tips, better home and garden magazines, house and garden magazines, and of course we have a nice ready to go video ad. Now, I have not tested this product personally, but it is something that I do plan on testing later on for this month. So if you go ahead and test this product from watching this video, definitely let me know how it comes out for you, how it turns out. And at the end of the month, I'll try and do a recap and show y'all my results for selling that product. So moving along to the second product, I have the outdoor big screen. I am actually testing this product right now, and it is doing wonderful, very wonderful for me. So the selling price is $90. Product cost is $19.26, giving us a profit margin of $70.23. It's actually a very good price point, and that's profit, not revenue, by the way. Again, we have a nice product listing ready to go. Copy and paste on your Shopify store. We have some AliExpress suppliers. So I already have one pulled up. Let's take a look at this one. So this one has 311 orders. Again, I'm not signed in, so I can't show you the sales. It's just from China. So we're going to, again, go for e-packet shipping. They do have e-packet shipping, but they saying that if I order from them, it will not arrive until July 2nd, and today's June 1st. So that's way too long. So we're going to go try our second supplier, and hopefully we can get, a faster shipping time. At most, I don't like to ship any longer than 21 days. I feel if someone has to wait 21 days for an item, they're typically going to ask for a refund and chargebacks, and that can be what's the word I'm looking for? That can be basically it's bad for your business, and once you reach that phase of your business where you processing refunds and chargebacks, it's very crucial to have someone handle that if you don't know how to handle that yourself. I don't want to get too far in depth on that conversation, but yeah, it's best if you can just get your product shipped out as fast as possible. Some of you may know this already, but I'm just recapping for those who still may be on the fence in case they're not entirely drop shipping yet. Hopefully you use these products to get started with your store. So this is July 8th. That's too long again. So we're going to try our third AliExpress supplier. Hopefully he'll come through with 7 to 14-day shipping. If not, like I said, I'm still testing this product. So what I would do on the product listing is I would, put somewhere in there, probably towards the bottom, where the trust badges are. And I would just say, look, it's going to take up to about 30 days, use the, I don't want to say it because, then I can't get my video monetized, but use the current recession that we're going through and put that in there and say, because of that, it's going to take up to anywhere from 21 to 30 business days. Put Monday through Friday to exclude weekends. So the targeting for this product, we're looking at parents all and Netflix and home cinema. If you have any other ideas that you feel is related to movies or entertainment or, basic TV programming, I throw that in there too. Just to, test all the interests, see what works, see what doesn't work, and go from there. Now, hold on a second here. My computer freeze. Not entirely sure if it did. There you go. Look like it's getting itself back together. All right, there we go. Thank you for waiting for me as my computer loads. Here we have a ready-to-go video ad for your Facebook feed, Instagram feed. I don't use Facebook stories, but Instagram stories, Facebook Marketplace. You can put all this video ad there, test that out, see how that works for you. So in conclusion, this takes me to our third product that I have available for you. So let's wait for my computer to load up here for a few seconds, and then I will announce the third product that I have for you. Hold on here momentarily. All right, so I'm going to try and make this fast because my computer is tripping. Give me a second here. My computer just got to load, y'all. I appreciate your patience staying with me as my computer loads. If you made it this far in the video, consider subscribing to the channel. Obviously, you like the value that I'm giving you, or at least, throw your boy a thumbs up. Help support the channel so I can, get a new laptop and whatnot. Anyway, moving along, the third product that I have for you is a portable car vacuum cleaner. turns out, I'm just going to end the video here because I don't know what's going on my computer. I don't know the time frame and how long it's going to take to buffer and whatnot. I have a ready to go e-commerce playlist A through Z on everything that you need to know to get started with Shopify dropshipping. Definitely check that out. I will link it above right now on the end screen. Thank you so much for watching. Check out all my other videos that's popping up. Again, to get access to these products, click the first link in the description. It'll take you to Dropship Hunter. Use my code MrDavinci20 to get 20% off your first month. Check out the other videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.